Good morning guys, in front of me is FAIRPHONE 4 and let me show you how to unlock developer options. Firstly, enroll the list of all apps and reach settings. Then select about phone, scroll a bit lower, and once you see build number, tap on it 7 times. Then provide your screen lock password, pattern, or whatever you have. And as you can see, developer options are active. Now you can find them under settings. They appeared right here. Click to open, use them however you like. They are quite easy to active because all you have to do is to mark some particular indicator and then the feature is on. Once you want to hide developer panel, just unmark the stop switcher. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.